We bought Alert Plumbing in 2011 as a going concern with 10 employees. We're mainly in the building construction industry, keep all the stock necessary to service that industry. Our customers range from the bakkie, plumber, DIY, homeowner, construction companies, developers. Currently we operate through 7 legal entities and employ about 133 employees. We've been using PayBar's services since 2022. We needed a dependable partner to simplify the complexities of handling payroll for our diverse operations. And PayBar's tailored solutions and commitment to compliance made them the perfect fit. PayBar has since proved to be what we were looking for, a reliable partner to manage payroll for our multiple branches across South Africa. PayBar's employee self-service portal has significantly streamlined our payroll and HR processes. PayBar has ensured our staff are paid accurately and on time every month, with robust systems that safeguard sensitive payroll information. Their reliable processes have eliminated delays and provided our multi-branch business with seamless, secure payroll management. We confidently recommend PayBar to businesses managing complex multi-entity payrolls. Their deep knowledge of South African regulations and responsive support have been crucial for our compliance and growth, making them an invaluable partner for our business. Thank you, PayBar, for being on this journey with us.